Okay, dear students, we are today discuss about the null subgraph and factor of the graph. So, as per the definition of the subgraph, we saw that each and every vertex is also a subgraph of the graph G. Here I take one example here that if I remove all the edges from the graph A, B, C, D, and then I got a null graph of N4. So N4 is also a subgraph of the graph G. So a subgraph constructs from the given graph G by deleting all the edges of G is also known as a subgraph of as a null subgraph of G. Okay, so this is the one basic definition of null subgraph. Now what we discuss about the factor of a graph. So understand, this is the most important thing, that is how to understand the factor of the graph. Let's understand. Suppose k factor of a graph is defined by as a spanning subgraph of the graph with the degree of each of its vertices being k. That is, k factor is a regular of degree k. So that means if it is a suppose there are k factors, so each vertex is a k degree. If G is a sum of the k factors, their union is called a k factorization and G itself a k factorable. If G is a sum of k factors, their union is also called k factorization and G is itself a k factorable. When G has a 1 factor, say G1, it is clear that number of vertices are even and edges of G are point disjoint. So remember here that if vertices are even, then we can find only one factor, because when you are taking at a 1 degree, so what happened here, that if it is a 1 factor, so minimum 2 vertices needed for drawing the 1 edges. If we have 1 edges, how many vertices needed? 2 vertices. So similarly, each and every 1 factor has a even number of vertices. If there is a 1 edges, then we need 2 vertices, 2 edges, then we need 4 vertices. So we can say that for each and every factorizations, if one factorization is given, then we can say that it has even number of edges. Okay, and all the points, other points are disjoint. These 2 points are disjoint with other 3 points. If I draw another 1 degree with same graph, so you can see that. So there are 2 graph, 1 degree in same graph. If I talking about this graph A, B, C, D, so then we can say that if I talking about the A, B, C, D, then this is A, this is B, this is C and D. This is a one factorization of A, B, C, D, because here, so it is a even graph. And but if we have an odd number of edges, that is we have an k2n plus 1 which has no one factor. In odd number of edges, one vertex is remaining which has no 1 degree. So hence, if odd number of vertices are there, we cannot find one factor. Okay, so first of all we understand with some examples, so you can easily understand about this factorization of graph. So I take example number 1. I take one biggest example here. So it is example number 1 has a 6 vertices, k6. I take k6 is a regular graph with the vertices of 6. Now you can see that which are these 3 points. So you can easily understand which are points are that. We have to cover all the vertices, and all the vertices is same number of edges. So if I talking about this is V1, V2, V6, V3, V5 and V4. Now look at here. In this graph, V1, V2, V3, V4 all has a degree 1. So it is called one factor graph of this graph. And we already know that v1 and v2 is connected, v6 and v3 is also connected, v4 and v4 is also connected. Similarly, we know that here v1, v2, v3, v4, v5 and v6. Now v1 and v3 is also connected, v2 and v6 is also connected. Similarly, v5 and v4 is also connected. Now another graph we take here, v1, v2, v3, v4, v5 and v6. Now see here, v6 to v3 is connected, v1 to v5 is connected, v2 to v5 is also connected. Similar way, we can here also find v1, v2, v3, v4, v5, v6. Same way, v1, v2, v3, v4, v5 and v6. These are the different types of one factor graph in same graph. All are the part of this graph. So it is a one factor graph. Now we take another example. Now you can see that this is an even part, so we can easily find here one factor. Also we can find 2 factor, 3 factor, 4 factor also. But when we have an even, not even, that is odd number of graph, that is case 7. So we can't find one factorization. We have to start from the 2 factorization. So we take here 2 factorizations. I give one example here also. One factorization graph is not possible in complete graph with the odd number of vertices. That is, here we give to k3. Can you find one factor graph? If I take 1 and 2 and 3 points, okay, I draw only one graph, one line here, so which has one, but this is remaining. What about it? So we cannot find a one factor graph. Okay, so another example we have also one factor graph and 2 factor graph. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 factors here. So this is a graph G, and the one factor graph of that is this one line, this one line and this one line. So these are the lines. I will give you such things, that is a, if I say that is a v1, v2, v3, v4, v5, v6. So what happened here? This is v1, v2, v3, v4, v5 and v6. So first this line and this line. Look at here, all vertices are 1 degree. Similarly, 2 factor graph, that means all vertices are 2 degree. You can see that v1, v2 and v6, v1, v2 and v6. Here I take v3, v4 and v5. So you can see that all vertices a degree number of 2. So this is a 2 factor graph. If all vertices is 3 degree, then is a 3 factor graph. Now look at here. In this graph is odd number, so we cannot find 1. So we cannot find here 1. So we have find a 2 factorization graph. So many 2 factorization graph, and you can see here each and every vertex is a 2 degree of 2. Look at here, v1 has connected with v2 and v5, v2 is connected with v7 and v3. So I just remove some edges so that we can create these 2 graphs. So v1, v7, v1, v4. So these are some examples of created this. So we can easily create this graph. These 3 different types of graphs, so we can easily find that. So in one graph you can also find the 1 factor, 2 factor, 3 factor as per the requirement of that graph. Okay, so this is a factorization of graph. If you have any query, you can ask me personally. Thank you.